Hello, we are Orbot-Eats.
Astronauts have to deal with multiple issues related to eating and nutrition during space travel. Long exposures to zero gravity, radioactivity, and space dust is dangerous to the human body. These dangers not only impact their mental and physical health, but more importantly, their appetites. Additionally, astro food is not as appetizing at all. Foods are either dehydrated or freeze-dried to reduce storage space and avoid spoilage. For foods such as macaroni and cheese and spaghetti, water is squeezed into the food packages and then eaten after it absorbs the water. As a result, our astronauts are prone to weight loss and low energy.
Our innovative goggles utilizes AR or augmented reality to trick the minds of the astronauts to improve their appetites. Future models will include an aromatic diffuser to enhance the experience and make the augmented foods more savory and realistic. The core of the innovative solution is our software. The software currently recognizes preloaded images and replaces that with desired pictures. For example, dehydrated spaghetti and meatballs in a plastic bag can be replaced by an image of a bowl of piping hot spaghetti and meatballs, and freeze-dried strawberries are replaced by a bowl of freshly picked strawberries.
Augmented reality is currently incorporated with the training of astronauts who will be boarding the ISS or International Space Station. Augmented reality melds the virtual world with what's really there in front of you. The astronauts are using augmented reality to prepare for EVA or extravehicular activity. Additionally, the astronauts are using their actual spacesuits, officially called their EVA, and utilizing an application called Magic Leap 1. One of the ISS astronauts, Drew Morgan, recently tweeted, "Through the holographic lenses, we could see the ISS and the equipment we'll be working with."
In years past, astronauts have primarily used underwater environments to simulate the effects of spacewalks before missions. Both recent achievements in immersive computing technology such as AR or VR, virtual reality, virtual objects are added to the training regimen. NASA has dedicated an entire facility to its virtual training by creating the Virtual Reality Laboratory at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston.
The European Space Agency has also made a push to use AR. Astronauts' helmets are outfitted with the screen and information is transmitted to the astronauts real time using text, graphics, video, sound, etc. The information will identify the location requiring maintenance as well as a step-by-step virtual directions to complete the task. The real-time information can even advise astronauts on a number of turns of a screw or when to push a button to turn something on or off. AR will reduce the dependency on physical reference material and allow the astronauts to focus on the job at hand.
Our software will be incorporated into existing goggles used by the astronauts. AR will be utilized to change the behavior of the astronauts and improve their appetites. The software will recognize images of the astral food and replace those with more appealing pictures of the food. Future features will include an aromatic diffuser, incorporating scent and smell to the experience. AR provides the user with a combined sense of the real and virtual world, where VR immerses the user completely into a virtual environment.
Research in the fields of psychology and dentistry have proven the effectiveness of AR to alter behavior. The use of AR has calmed patients and altered moods prior to surgical procedures. Additionally, weight loss can be achieved by negative reinforcement therapy, leading to less eating, and kids' healthy habits can be encouraged through virtual reality, making undesirable foods fun and delicious to eat. The next step towards implementation is to complete development of the software. The cost to complete and market the software is estimated at $100,000. Thereafter, the software can be loaded into goggles or headsets and shared with our targeted fields, psychologists and dentistry. Extensive testing and clinicals in both fields will be required to ensure the effectiveness of our software to alter behaviors.
Thank you for watching our presentation. We truly believe that Orbot-Eats can help astronauts in space.